What's up, tech enthusiasts? Welcome back to Tectonic Electric, where we break down the hottest tech gear. Today, we're taking a closer look at the OSReviews Prism 4RS ARGB CPU fan, real eye-catcher with its 120mm infinity mirror design and ARGB lighting. If you're a PC builder who loves style and performance, this might be the perfect cooler for you. So, let's dive in and check out everything this fan brings to the table. Right out of the box, the OSReviews Prism 4RS makes an impression. The 120mm fan features a sleek, infinity mirror design that gives off a depth effect, making the ARGB lighting look like it's extending infinitely, a perfect fit for any high-end build, but looks aren't everything. The real question is, can this fan keep your CPU cool under heavy workloads and gaming sessions? The OSReviews Prism 4RS connects via 5V 3-pin ARGB to your motherboard for lighting sync, allowing you to control and customize the RGB effects with your motherboard's lighting software. It's compatible with popular platforms like ASUS AuraSync, MSI Mystic Light, and Gigabyte RGB Fusion. On top of that, you have 4-pin PWM support, so the fan speed adjusts automatically based on your system's needs. The PWM feature is a game changer for noise control. Whether you're gaming, editing, or just browsing the web, this fan knows when to ramp up for performance and when to keep it quiet. Now let's talk about the visuals. The ARGB lighting is customizable, and the infinity mirror effect really gives it a premium touch. Whether you're going for a minimalist, single color scheme, or a full-on RGB rainbow, the OSReviews Prism 4RS delivers some of the best lighting effects you'll find in a CPU fan. But what about cooling performance? We tested the fan on a high-performance CPU to see how well it under full load. The OSReviews Prism 4RS kept our temperatures stable and low, thanks to its high airflow and optimized blade design. Even during intense gaming sessions, the CPU remained within safe temperatures, showing that this fan isn't just a pretty face. It's packing real cooling power. One of the standout features of the Prism 4RS is its quiet operation. At max speed, it clocks in at about 28 decibels, so even during heavy loads, you won't be distracted by fan noise. The OSReviews Prism 4RS is not only great for CPU cooling, but can also be used as a case cooler. With its universal 120mm design, you can install it in a variety of configurations, making it a versatile choice for both air-cooled and hybrid setups. So, to wrap things up, the OSReviews Prism 4RS ARGB CPU fan is a fantastic blend of form and function. With its stunning infinity mirror design, seamless ARGB sync, and solid cooling performance, it's an easy recommendation for anyone looking to add some flair and efficiency to their PC build. Plus, the 4-pin PWM control means you'll get the cooling you need without unnecessary noise. Handles heat during gaming and rendering sessions. Whether you're building a high-end gaming rig or just upgrading your current setup, the OSReviews Prism 4RS is a fan that performs as good as it looks. Thanks for tuning into this review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Tectonic Electric for more in-depth tech reviews. Let me know in the comments if you'd like to see more PC cooling gear covered. And as always, stay cool, stay techy, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe,